Want to buy Solana with your debit card instantly? Here's the fastest way. First, open a trusted exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. I'm going to be using Binance for this tutorial. These platforms fully support Solana and allow instant debit card purchases. Create or log in into your account if you have one already. And complete identity verification if you haven't. This step is required for debit card transactions. Next, go to the Buy Crypto tab, press on Buy Crypto, select Solana from the Receive section instead of USDT, Sol, and now in the payment method, just select Card. You can also use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Payment, but in our tutorial we're going to select Card. Now, enter the amount of Solana you'd like to buy. Most exchanges show you both the fiat amount and the SOL you'll receive. Confirm your card details and make sure your bank allows international crypto payments. Some banks may decline the first attempt, so enabling online or international payments help. Once confirmed, the transaction usually completes instantly, and the Solana will appear in your exchange wallet. For extra security, transfer your SOL to a non-custodial wallet like Phantom or Ledger or MetaMask after purchase. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.